Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video I will share with you on how to get Roblox Plus. This actually gives you so much benefits as a Roblox Plus user. It's just like being a premium user in the app. Now the first thing you have to do is to log into the app. The next is to click on 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. So right here you're going to see Roblox Plus. Click on it. So it's going to take you to this section where you're going to see the different benefits and how to actually get it. So right here you're going to see it says there's still time to get the Roblox gifts. Okay, this is actually gifts that Roblox is ready to give people that subscribe to Roblox Plus before August 4th, before August 14th 2026, to get exclusive gifts in the inventory before it opens. Now to join Roblox Plus you can start with $4.99. You can also, this is why you have to join Roblox Plus, it has 10% off in games, items, avatar and more. Get more from Roblox starting now. So you're going to have 10% off in any of these items you want to buy. You're going to have 20% off these items after 2 months of being a Roblox Plus subscriber. You're going to also have free private server as a Roblox Plus user or subscriber. You're going to also send Robux for free. You can trade and resell limited items, build your collection of rare avatar. You can also publish games and avatar items, reach millions of players on the marketplace. So all you have to do is to click on the subscribe option here and subscribe. So guys, that is it on how to join Roblox Plus. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.